So you could use homemade pie crust or store-bought. Make sure the store-bought is thawed out. You want to poke the holes on the bottom and the sides and cook it at 350 for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You don't want to cook it all the way. You're going to put 1 3/4 cup sugar into a bowl and blend with room temperature softened butter. So you want to blend the sugar and the butter. So you're going to add 1 egg at a time. You're putting 4 eggs. So add 1 at a time and blend. After adding the 4 eggs, blend to a creamy consistency. You're going to add 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and 4 level tablespoons of flour. And then you're going to add the 1 cup of buttermilk and blend. Pour in 1 cup of buttermilk, and then we're going to blend it till it's smooth. I'm going to fill 2 pie shells. The oven should be at 400 degrees for the first 5 minutes. Turn down to 350 and cook for about an hour. Poke with a toothpick when it comes out clean. Put it in the fridge. Let it cool for an hour. Enjoy with it plain. Add fruit and whipped cream. It's an easy peasy pie. Take care and God bless.